P2 which comes with 150 watt RMS. If you can see here, beautiful crossover which can diversify the signal to the mid bass as well as to the tweeter. So it is rated Iris, so the sound of that also is going to be a different level. All power this 4 speakers and the tweeter with this 4-channel amplifier as well. The best subwoofer in the world, to be very frank, is the APBX10AS2. Hi friends, welcome to RS Car Modifiers. Today we have a very high-end passive setup, the OC2 series from Audison, one of the best in the industry. So we have done a 4-speaker setup with 2 tweeters, an amplifier as well as a subwoofer. So let me explain what and all we have done in this. So once the customer has approached us, we have recommended them to do a soundproofing. So in this vehicle what we have done is a complete 2-layer soundproofing. For all the 4 doors, the inner layer is covered with a 2.1 mm butyl rubber and the outside is covered with a butyl as well as a foam kind of a damping, which is almost equal to 5 mm. So once we have done the complete soundproofing, it was our time to choose which speakers to go on. So on a discussion with the customer, we have chosen to go with the top of the line passive speakers from Audison OC2, which is the 6P2 which comes with 150 watt RMS. If you can see here, this is a AVK 6P2, comes with a peak power of 300 watts with an RMS of 150 watts and a beautiful crossover which can diversify the signal to the mid bass as well as to the tweeter, and it is one of the best crossover which is available in the market. It is nothing wrong to say it is as equivalent to a DSP where it is able to bifurcate the signal as well with clarity. And you also know that the OC2 tweeter comes with the Iris, so it is rated Iris, so the sound of that also is going to be a different level. So we had a huge discussion on what has to go in the backside. So in the backside we had an option of a OC1 coaxial or a OC2 coaxial, considering a future upgrade of the customer. So we are actually going to go with a OC2 coaxial, which again comes with a 125 watt RMS, comes with a detachable tweeter, so it can be also made as an active setup later on. So we have given him that coaxial as well. So when you have 2 best speakers in the front and the rear, it has to be powered sufficiently. So what we have gone is our signature SR 4.5, comes with a 130 watt RMS at 4 ohms with 4 channels output. So we are going to all power this 4 speakers and the tweeter with this 4-channel amplifier as well. So now the easiest and the best output sounding subwoofer, which is also best rated in the ISA of the year in the last year. The best subwoofer in the world, to be very frank, is the APBX10AS2. You have seen most of my videos installing this. So it is going to give a very niche kind of a bass at a lesser power, but a very good sounding system. So when you merge all the best speakers with an amplifier and a subwoofer, that is where you are going to get the best output of sounding. So we have completely done a plug and play kind of a wiring. We have used a OEM kit to drive the signal from the head unit to the amplifier, and from the amplifier we have given all the quad-on wirings to the speakers, neatly done, ferruled it, wrapped it, made it like a OEM, and it is sounding beautiful as well. So if you are also looking for a very good passive set of speakers, Audison is the brand to go for, and you can get it installed with RS Car Modifiers BTM layout. You come visit to us, have a discussion with me. I will be able to guide you on what is best which you are looking for at a price range starting from 50,000 rupees for a passive setup. We can do a passive setup even till 3.5-4 lakh rupees. It all depends on what the customer is looking for, not now, with respect to the futuristic plan of the customer to convert this into an active setup as well. So a beautiful setup like this can be also converted into an active setup just by adding a 4.10 DSP with 2 mid-ranges, and it is completely going to be a next level kind of a modification. So if you are having a car already existing with speakers, it's your time to change that as well. You can visit, you can call me in any of the numbers, or come to our showroom, have a discussion and get it changed. So looking forward for all the customers to come to us and get your speakers changed. Cheers guys.